Hello and welcome to KR Notes. In an online Excel forum, someone asked a question related to extracting values from a formula. The user has his input data as shown in column B. The column C is just for our understanding's sake. The user is now expecting the output to be displayed as shown in column E and F. So let's see how we can solve this problem using an Excel formula trick. In the solution sheet, I have the sample input data in the column C. I am using FORMULATEXT function of Excel to convert the formula to text. Once you know this trick, you can very well apply the mid formula in Excel to get your required result. We need two separate formulas for showing the first value and second value under result 1 and result 2 here. As you see my formula, I am extracting the strings from the formula text and splitting them to show the result 1 and result 2. You can make further changes to this formula based on your requirement. Let us test this formula. We will add one more row and add one sample data. Let's say 222 plus 333. We'll go and copy the formula in the next rows and see the result. As you see, the formula is working well. You are getting 222 and 333 in separate text. Thanks for watching and leave your comments if you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.